Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change DNS laptop setting. We are going to enter network in the search box. There, open the option View Network Connections. You are going to right-click on your network adapter to select options. Now select the line, Internet Protocol version 4, click on Properties. Check the box, use the following DNS server addresses. In the fields, enter the desired IP address. Click on OK to apply the changes and close the windows. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.